Hey, greetings to another mail call. I'm Larry, the fountain pen review guy here in Fort Worth, Texas, and I've got another mail call to do today, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a double shot and open it up for you. Now, this is from one of my viewers that wishes to be anonymous, and we'll get into that later. But right now, let's get into this, okay? Well, this is always fun to do this. And then I'll just get this trusty and do that. Because there's another box in here. Because there's a lot of stuff in here. I'll just throw that aside. And this is a short letter that thank you, and thank you. And thank you. Okay. And I will find him a new home. All right, here we go. Now, all right. I think I can just rip it open there. Yes, I can. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Open sesame. Open. He has given a lot of cool stuff here. These are for the Noodlers, the 308 cartridge 5-pack that you can use in your Noodlers pen, and we'll get to that later on review. And this is the, I can't say that well, can you?
Platinum, I'm not sure what that other word is, platinum something.
Forte, I can't see it.
Perfante?
Perfante, maybe. Is that a P? Yeah, I think it's that the Platinum Perfante line. I think that's what that is. Cool. And this is the Noodler Ahab. Cool. So, cool. Double cool. And, wow. The Carrier's Custom Ink, the Waterman, and a Moon Man 600, and a Monteverde Mazda, all in here. Last but not least, there's a Jinhao, beautiful purple Jinhao, lovely pen, 750. Wow, this is a nice one. Beautiful purple. Isn't that pretty? That is a pretty one. I'm giving a lot of these away to some lucky people that get into purple. And what is this? This is, Jinhao's. Okay, they're, I think, 149s. So, all this, thank you, my friend. I will do reviews, and then these will be on a list to give away. What do you say? So, stay tuned to my channel because you can win some pins. Because I think it's about time to do a major giveaway, and we got a bunch of cool stuff to give away. Okay? Alright, well that's going to hang it up, folks. Thank you for joining me today. And, as always, hit that like button if you like the mail call. I hope it was fun, entertaining, interesting, to say the least. And remember, please don't text and drive. Take care. Peace. Bye.